As you all know, Dr. Michelle LaMasa-Dawson has started a new portion of releasing energy and releasing emotions from our body with a human garage maneuver. And on May 11th, 2026, from 7 to 9 p.m., anyone around the world can join us for this experience. It's in the webinar. You don't even have to be attending to get the video, because everybody who gets it will get a copy of the video. So if you can't attend at this time, just know that the video will be sent to you. So Dr. Michelle, thank you so much for doing this. This is so exciting. What will people benefit, and what are the requirements of attending this and doing these movements and maneuvers?
Well, there's no requirement. And so it's from beginners to people that have been working on their body for many, many years. And even people that have been working on their body for many, many years can notice big differences, because when we have trauma, when we've had accidents, when we've had injuries, our body will compensate. And so we will develop different torque patterns and different ways that we move in the world. Well, these maneuvers actually were designed to move the body to become in that more natural state and to regain flow. So no matter where a person is, no matter what age, because we even do this on children, even on babies, just to be able to move pressure through the body. People that have lots of issues, you can do it sitting down, you can do it standing up, you can even do it laying down. So whatever works, wherever a person is at in their journey, it works and it fits. And so that's what I love about it also.
Well, I'm excited. I know that when we did the class together on introducing Human Garage, I was like so in. I'm not a person who really gets into yoga, but I have a feeling I'm going to love this, because what you were explaining sounded about that this could be done by anyone and it won't cause me any pain. Sometimes yoga can cause pain, and I just don't particularly care for it. And that's me personally. Other people love yoga. And so when it comes to doing these maneuvers, you said that anyone can do it lying down from a chair or anything like that. Are there any contraindications that we need to make people aware of?
There are no contraindications, which is
Yay!
so nice.
Yay!
And
Okay.
I would say, I'm not going to say that there's no pain, okay? Because sometimes there is pain and there's already pain in our body.
Mhm.
But just like a balloon, when you blow up a balloon, you add air around in. And so we're adding air around the organs, around the tissues. If there's tightness, if there's already pain, when we move it, we actually open it up, so then there will be less pain. And so it may take a minute to get there. When I first started, my back was pretty sore, but as I would breathe, I would be breathing into my body, I would literally feel it expand and open up, and it started to have less and less pain. So, but it is
Wow.
definitely different than yoga in the sense, because yoga and many movement practices work on the linear. We work on the way that the body operates and the way that it works in nature with spirals and counter rotation, and so that is the difference and the beauty.
Well, I'm excited about it, and I know you will too. I'm telling you, when I heard about Human Garage and I've seen the changes in Dr. Michelle, many of us go through pain and don't realize that there are things that we can do to not only release the physical pain, but the movement of the emotional pain right with it. Are you in? Did you get your seat already reserved? Click the link below. All the information is there. Once again, May 11th. 2026 from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern time. I just want to make sure it's Eastern time, that you know this. And you will be able to watch this worldwide. So it's a webinar and you can get your seat. So whether you can attend, if you say, Lily, this is too late for me, I live in a different time zone, no worries. Get your ticket and you will be able to watch this later on at your convenience. I'm so grateful to Dr. Michelle LaMasa-Dawson for bringing this new tool, new technique to all of us at the Lily McDermott Radio Show classroom. So click the link below and let's start your journey. Thank you so much, Dr. Michelle, for everything that you do to help us relieve all those pesky emotions.
It's my pleasure.
And just know we'll be right there waiting for you. So join us. Go to whenyouneedafriend.com to learn more. Click the link below. See ya.